Welcome to Bike Shift. Today we explore one of the most anticipated cruisers in the mid-weight segment, the 2026 Royal Enfield Meteor 650. A motorcycle designed for long-distance comfort, modern performance, and that classic Royal Enfield soul. Let's dive into everything this new generation cruiser brings to the road. The 2026 Meteor 650 marks a significant evolution from its 350 sibling. Royal Enfield has built this machine to deliver a true highway cruising experience, blending retro styling with modern engineering. The extended frame, refined proportions, and muscular presence hint at a motorcycle that's made for effortless touring. The bike feels larger, more planted, and more premium, setting a new benchmark in the 650 cubic centimeters cruiser category. At the heart of the Meteor 650 lies Royal Enfield's 648 cubic centimeters parallel twin engine, tuned for smooth, linear power delivery. The 2026 version features improved fuel mapping, reduced vibrations, and stronger mid-range torque, making overtaking on highways easier than ever. The engine offers a calm, refined riding feel, perfect for both city glides and long road trips. The cruising gear ratios are optimized to maintain stability at high speeds while keeping the revs relaxed. The 2026 Meteor 650 carries forward the classic cruiser DNA with a low-slung stance, wide handlebars, a sculpted fuel tank, and a spacious saddle. Royal Enfield has upgraded the seat cushioning and added better ergonomics for long-distance comfort. The forward-set foot pegs promote a relaxed riding position, reducing fatigue during long hours of travel. The bike also features newly designed alloy wheels, premium chrome accents, and improved paint finishes that enhance its road presence. Royal Enfield has equipped the Meteor 650 with modern technology while preserving its classic charm. The updated semi-digital console includes navigation support, ride information, Bluetooth connectivity, and trip tracking. The bike also features LED lighting, a Type-C charging port, hazard indicators, and improved switchgear for a more premium feel. Safety upgrades include dual-channel ABS, traction assistance, and refined suspension tuning for better stability on mixed road conditions. The Meteor 650 is built on a reinforced dual cradle frame designed for stability and smooth cornering. The suspension setup offers a plush ride, with telescopic forks at the front and premium adjustable twin shocks at the rear. Whether cruising on highways or navigating city traffic, the bike maintains confidence and balance. Enhanced braking performance ensures safer stopping power even at higher cruising speeds. Despite its larger engine, the 2026 Meteor 650 offers respectable fuel efficiency for a cruiser in its class. The optimized engine tuning helps deliver consistent mileage during highway cruising. The generous fuel tank capacity makes long-distance touring more convenient with fewer fuel stops. Practical additions like luggage mounting points and optional touring accessories make it a versatile choice for everyday commuting and weekend adventures. Royal Enfield positions the Meteor 650 as an affordable premium cruiser, making big-engine touring accessible to more riders. While prices may vary by region and variant, the bike is expected to deliver strong value for money compared to global competitors. With its blend of style, performance, and technology, it stands out as one of the most exciting cruiser options for 2026. The 2026 Royal Enfield Meteor 650 is built for riders who want comfort, power, and timeless design in one package. Whether you're a daily commuter or a highway explorer, this motorcycle promises a refined and enjoyable riding experience. Stay connected.